So OBD2 port is right under the steering wheel. It's right here if you need to plug it in. And the first fuse box is right under here. What you gotta do is just pull it, and then if you need the information, it's right here. Show you again. And the fuse box is right there. To put it back, you just put this, click, and that's it. To get to the second fuse box, you have to open the hood, which is right here. To open the latch, it's like a yellow one. You just push it this way and up, right there. And to raise it up, you use this hook. So second fuse box is right here. To open it, you just press on this and pull it up. Information right here. Fuse box is right there. And there's another fuse box. I'll show you in a minute. To close it, you just push it in. Make sure it clicks here. Number 3 is right here. Has a relay and it also has some fuses. You click right here and pull it up here. Information is on top. Fuses and some relay. Put it in, just click it. So number 4 fuse box is this one right here. And to open it, you can pull the whole thing out by pressing right here, release. Press it and the whole thing just comes up. And underneath, you have to kind of pry, see right here, this thing. Like that, you kind of have to pick it up. And there's more information. Once it's clicked, just put it on that piece right there. Slide it on top. And there you go. And then there's also actually number 5. Number 5 is on this side, this piece. And if you want to open this one, you just pry it this way. Information right here. And the relay and few fuses right there. Put it back. Latch it.